Okay, so I've already done this one. You got my grill, and y'all don't judge, alright? My husband grills, I clean, and you can tell when he's done grilling, he just wants to eat the food, so cleaning is not a priority. So we're first gonna hit this with their APC. I've actually already done the stainless steel on this one, but there's still some grease, so we're just gonna see what kind of cleaning power we have with this. And I don't know about y'all, I use my old bathroom. Oh man, that just cut through that. Amazingly, grease is gone. Let's see what this does. Shut the front door, y'all. This beats Windex hands down, and that's normally what I just end up using. Man, that's got some good cutting abilities. Because that was kind of caked on there. I can't stand when you have friends come over and the guys are always standing around the grill. And they have their beers and they're just drinking, and all I'm thinking is, please don't judge me for my grill. Alright, that's good enough for now. Look at that. Yuck. Babe, clean the grill. I guess that's what I'm here for, right? Jeez. Alright, so that's cleaned. Now we're going to polish and protect with the Carolina. Just quick. It's got a nice lemon pledge smell. This is super satisfying. I don't know about y'all. Well, we'll clean that. Let's get that APC in there. We're gonna flip to a fresh side because that's kind of grody. I don't want to touch it, honestly. Ooh, it's just melting off. I don't even know when the last time that was taken off. Let's just do that one too. Yes, look at that. It's just dripping. It's just melting. Look at that. Alright, so we're gonna redo our stainless steel cleaner. It's as easy as spray and wipe. Shazam. Because now I'm not embarrassed. Who wants to come over for a grill party? Any takers? Andy, you guys coming over? Let's take a look. And yeah, I did figure it out, don't worry. But I'm not gonna lie, that's the best my grill has looked with that little bit of time. Normally I have to pull out the easy oven off. Alright, let's do this. Let's see what happens. That's bothering me, how gross that is. Let's try this out. Sniffy sniff. Ooh, I like that smell. It's a very, very clean smell. Really enjoy that. Just has a nice alcohol scent. Kind of like, alright, I'm a dork, but you know that stuff you use to clean your glasses when you go to the ophthalmologist? It's kind of got that smell to it, which I really enjoy that smell because it's just a nice, clean, sterile smell. I am a weird person. I enjoy a good sterile smell. Y'all, holy crap, this is the best my grill has ever looked. That's amazing. Okay. We're not using this for a while now. No one's touching this. That looks fantastic. Don't mind my nasty looking cleaning rags. But seriously, that right there is a winning combo. I just cleaned my grill in like 3 minutes. The outside, obviously, that is another day. It's really not that bad. I just did it a couple weeks ago. It's been a lot worse. But on the outside, jeez, that looks fantastic. So I like the fact that I didn't have to use really harsh, toxic, like grill cleaners. Those things make me cough to no extent. This really was low odor. It did not make me cough whatsoever. I know I'm outside, but that was really pleasant to use. This has a nice like pledge lemon smell, and this is just a nice, you can tell, like glass cleaner, alcohol. I mean, it's just a nice sterile smell. It's pleasant. It's not overwhelming. But that's the best my grill has looked since we bought it. So, love it. Love it, love it, love it. Alright, what else can I find to use it for? Who's next?